So fading the beard into the haircut is super important because now we're gonna structure his facial structure into the haircut. And everything should look tighter from the size of his face, and everything should blend down where when you're fading up in the haircut, you're fading up, it's gonna be reverse. So we're gonna bring the first guideline right at the bottom of the ear. So this would be the lowest point of a beard fade, where you generally be at the bottom of the ear where you're gonna start. So we're gonna start the first guideline on the right side of the beard. So I'm just gonna make sure that I comb the hair down, making sure it sits. So right here, at the bottom of the ear, I'm gonna create the first guideline. So I'm just gonna shave all that off. Boom. Next step, I'm gonna get the liner, the trimmer, to just smooth this out so it's nice and bald. So you don't want to, the trick is you don't want to bring the liner right at the guideline that you created with your clipper, because that's going to make a really hard line and it's going to be very harsh where it's going to be really hard to fade in. So you got to make it easier. So actually use a trimmer just above that. So I would use a finger width over top, and I don't bring it all the way down to the guideline. So now to get on to the next step, I'm actually going to use a foil shaver. I'm going to go right in the center of the ear. I don't go any lower. Now what that did, it made it super bald, so it really goes down to zero. Bald it right in the center, right in the middle between the fade and the beard fade. It's really gonna pop because this will be the shortest area. So the next step is taking the bulk down. So right over here, as you can see, Kareem does like his beard nice and full, and it's really dark. But sometimes when you take the beard down, it may turn faint. So you might, by me saying turning faint, you could see, you know, his skin through the beard. So you sometimes got to be careful and play it safe, and usually use a guard higher. So now I can just copy it on that side.